Hello everyone, good morning, good evening. Today I'm going to cook very delicious and very yummy chicken sausage pasta. You have to try guys, it's so yummy. Thing to do, you have to put water inside the pot and add a little bit of salt and also oil, like 1 tablespoon of oil. And then you have to boil the chicken sausage. So after that, you have to sit aside and then you have to slice it like round. And also you have to add the pasta and then you have to boil until 9 minutes or 10 minutes. And you have to mix it. So the reason you have to put oil so they're not stick together. So before we continue, please subscribe, like, share, and leave comment. Don't forget to post notification bell so every time I upload my video, always update it. So second, you have to add 2 tablespoons of oil and fresh garlic, like 4 cloves. And then you have stirred it. When the garlic is half cooked, then you have to add 1/2 white onions. And you have to stir it again. Then add 1 medium tomato, 1 whole. And also the chicken sausage slice. You have to mix it well. Now the ragu sauce or pasta sauce. So normally I add a whole bottle or whole garapon or container. So now we need to check our pasta. So they have two kinds. They have like shells and this one. So after 10 minutes, guys, then we have to put this pasta in the frying pan. As you can see, it's really delicious, guys. You have to try it. It's so yummy and creamy. So now you have to make it well. Make sure the pasta sauce it goes to all the pasta. Now the leftover of pasta sauce, I add more. Thank you to all my supporters, silent viewers, and subscribers. Please don't skip the ads. And also the cheese cube. I put the cheese cube. And don't forget to post notification and please don't skip the ads. And thank you so much for support. Please support my channel. And God bless you all. And also black pepper, like 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Or you have white pepper powder. So now we have to try it. It tastes really good. And then we have to add mozzarella powder. Wait. So I add guys the mozzarella powder. Now it's ready to serve our food. Thank you so much, and please subscribe, like, share, and leave comment, and see you my next video. Bye. God bless.